How to select launch screen on CoinMarketCap. Let's go ahead and start the video. To select the launch screen on CoinMarketCap app, just go ahead and open the app first. After you open it, you can see your profile icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and tap on the settings. After you tap on settings, under app settings you can see the launch screen. Currently it has been selected as markets, but if you want to change it, you can change from explore, portfolio and community. So if you are more into community, you can just go ahead and select community and close the app. After you close it and reopen it, you can now see that the launch screen has moved to community. So guys, this is how easy it is to select the launch screen on CoinMarketCap app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.